Want to know how to play the single player mode in snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your snake.io application, and once you're there, you should be welcomed with this home screen right here. And once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing play, and right above play, you should be seeing two options, ranked or unranked. So you need to keep in mind that on the right side, which is written rank, it is for multiplayer mode. So that is for multiplayer mode, and on the left side, you should be seeing unranked. So if you click on rank, it should be switched to single player or offline mode. So you can just simply select play right here, and now it should be entered with single player mode. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.